5 things to never put on your resume. Number 1, irrelevant work experience. Suppose you're applying for a finance job and you are putting in your experience content writing internship. Do you think it will help? It will only backfire, and trust me, I've been there. Never do that. It hurts you the most. Number 2, cute or unprofessional email. If your email ID is angelpriya64@gmail.com, please remove it and make a professional email to include in your resume. Number 3 point, please never include your photographs in your resume. You can always put a LinkedIn URL, but never put your photograph. It's not at all recommended. Number 4 is personal pronouns. Do not include I or me or anything else in your resume because it's obviously your resume and you will be writing it. Number 5, please never lie on your resume or never write anything that is not true. Because if a background check happens and the company asks you to do it and you're not able to do it, it can again backfire very badly. So never include that. Many people are confused with what resume template to use. If you want a resume template, a free resume template, please check the link in my bio and you can download it from there itself.